Good morning, my dear students and my dear friend. This is Sudhir and I welcome you all on today's class. And today we are going to revise quick subtraction by counting forward on a number line. Okay, let us revise this topic that we have already learned yesterday. Then we will proceed towards the topic that is a subtraction by expanding the smaller number. Okay, we have to subtract the number but by expanding the smaller number. These are the two topics today we will cover. Okay. So let us you have already understand how to find a difference of two numbers by counting forward. But we will revise this topic by taking a simple example. ठीक है, छोटे छोटे examples को लेकर के हम लोग इसको फटाफट से revise कर लेंगे. ठीक है. So let's see here. I have a one question and that is 9 minus 5. Okay. Now we have to find the difference between 9 and 5. Listen everybody here. What is meant by difference? Difference is the result of subtraction. Means what? जब भी आप subtraction करोगे उसके बाद जो आंसर आएगा that is called as the difference. Okay. So now look here. 9 minus 5. We know that. What is the answer here? Okay. We have already know the answer of 9 minus 5. But we have to find the answer by counting forward on a number line. Yes? Okay. 9 minus 5 is 4. We know that 9 minus 5 is 4. But हम लोग यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट 4 नहीं लिखेंगे. हम लोग कौन सी मेथड से इसको सॉल्व करेंगे? By counting forward on a number line. By counting forward. Okay, हमको क्या करना है? काउंटिंग करना है. कब कहाँ काउंटिंग करना है? फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करना है. ठीक है. So the first step is we have to start counting after the smaller number. Okay, look at here. We have the two numbers 9 and 5. Okay, 9 is the bigger number and 5 is the smaller number, and we have learned that we can subtract smaller number from bigger number. Yes, हम लोग छोटे नंबर को बड़े नंबर में से क्या कर सकते हैं? सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. So here first of all 9 minus 5 we have to find by counting forward on a number line. So first of all I will make a number line. Okay, पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं? एक नंबर लाइन बना लेते हैं. Okay, I have drawn a one line and we will write this number 5 here. Okay, the line will start from point 5. जो आपकी लाइन है वहां पर हम लोग कौन सा नंबर लिखेंगे? स्टार्टिंग कहां से करेंगे? 5 से. एंड वी विल स्टॉप एट 9. अब जाके कहां रुकेगी ये लाइन? 9 पर जाके रुकेगी. ठीक है. सो वी विल स्टार्ट काउंटिंग फ्रॉम विच नंबर? आफ्टर दी 5. 5 के बाद से स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है. So here will be 6. Wait. Here is 6. That is your 7. That is your 8, and this is your 9. Okay. Now we have to find 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 हमको find out करना है. We have to start counting after 5. 5 के बाद से counting start करना है. ठीक है. So we have to start counting from after the 5. So this is 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. Okay, कितना बार में हम लोग 9 से पहुंच गए? 4 times. That means when we will start counting after 5 up to till 9, what we have to do? We have to start from 5 up to till 9. हम लोग 9 से लेके 5 तक क्या करेंगे? काउंट करेंगे, आगे काउंट करेंगे. And whatever the number will come, that is your answer. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and the 4. So 9 minus 5 is your answer is 4. Understood? In this way we have to find. Let's take a second question and that is 10 minus 3. What we have to find? We have to find 10 minus 3. That means the difference between the 10 and 3. Okay, now we know that 3 is a smaller number and 10 is the bigger number. So we will start counting after 3. 3 के बाद हम लोग काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे. कहाँ तक काउंट करेंगे? 10 तक. फिर से समझो. We will start counting from 3 up to till 10. Okay. So first of all we will draw a number line over here. Okay. That is the number line. Okay. Then we have to start from 3. 3 से start करेंगे up to till 10. I will write 10 here. Okay. So अब बीच में जो भी numbers है वो लिख लेते हैं. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the last one is 10. So now we have to start counting after 3 अप टू टिल 10, ठीक है। 1 2 3 4 5 6 and this 7. Okay, so the answer is 7. Understand? Okay, now we have to find 15 minus 7. So let's draw a number line. Okay, here will be 7 and the last number is 15. Okay, so I'm writing 7, then 8, 9 and then 10. Okay, I'm not writing the numbers between 10 and 15 because we know that the difference between 10 and 15 is 5. हमको पहले से पता है कि 10 और 15 के बीच में 5 का डिफरेंस है, so there is no need to write the numbers. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 and the last one is the 5. So we have to start counting from 7. Okay, sorry, after 7 के बाद से counting start करेंगे up to till 15. So look at here, from 7 to 10 I am taking directly. 7 के बाद से हमको counting करना है 8 9 and the 10. That means what? 3. Okay, that is 1 2 and 3. Okay, I am taking directly. That is, so when you are counting after this 7 up to till 10. Okay, 7 के बाद से हम लोग counting start करेंगे, so it will be 3. And from 10 to 15, how much number is there? From 10 to 15 there is 5 numbers. Okay, so now what we will do, अब इन दोनों के बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है? 5 का, और इन दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस है 3 का. Okay, but we want a difference from 7 up to till 15. हमको तो पूरा चाहिए. So what we will do, we will add these two numbers. ठीक है, when you will add this, the difference between this number. Okay, then we will add the difference between these two numbers and these two numbers. So we will get the difference between these two numbers. Okay, overall difference हमको मिल जाएगा. So 5 and 3. So we will add 5 plus 3. It will be 8. So the answer is 8. Understand? Okay. I am taking this question towards the right hand side. मैं ये question को right hand side में लिख रहा हूँ, ठीक है? 25 minus 12. So I'm making the line over here. This is your 12, which is the starting number, okay, which is a smaller number, and the 25 is your last number. Okay, 25 is your last number. So from 12 to this is 13, 14, and this is your 15. Okay, from 15 to 20 there is 5 numbers. And from 20 to 25 there is a 5 numbers. Okay, now look at here, we have to start from 12 up to till 25. So what we will do, we will find the difference between the two numbers. हम लोग छोटे छोटे numbers के बीच का difference find out कर लेंगे, and then we will add all the differences. Okay, let's see, 12 हो गया, then 12 से हमको 15 तक जाना है. Okay, count after 12 up to 15, 13, 14 and 15. That means 3, 1 2 and this is your 3. So the difference between the 12 and 15 is 3. Okay, 3 आ गया. Then after we will find the difference between the 15 and 20. हमको पता है कि 15 और 20 के बीच में 5 का difference है ना? So we will write 15 to 20, the difference is, that means the answer is 5 over here. And from 20 to 25 there is a 5 numbers. Okay, now we know that the difference between these two number is 3. These two numbers, that means 15 and 20 is 5, and 20 to 25 there is 5. Okay, now अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हमको तो ये पूरा डिफरेंस चाहिए from 12 to 25, but we have the difference between the two numbers. हम लोग, हमारे पास छोटे छोटे डिफरेंसेस है, तो अगर हम लोगों को पूरा डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है, so we will add these numbers. So we will get the overall difference between the 12 and 25. मैं फिर से बोलता हूँ, ठीक है? We have the difference between 12 and 15, that is 3. We have the difference between the 15 and 20, and that is 5. Okay, and the difference between 20 and 25 is 5. तो हमारे पास छोटे छोटे डिफरेंसेस है, ठीक है? बट व्हाट वी वांट अ ओवरऑल डिफरेंस फ्रॉम 12 to 25. हमको तो 12 से लेकर 25 तक पूरा चाहिए. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल ऐड दीज नंबर्स सो दैट वी विल गेट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द 12 and 25. हमको पूरा का पूरा डिफरेंस मिल जाएगा, यानी कि बीच में जितने भी नंबर्स है सारे मिल जाएंगे. सो ऐड देम. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, and 10 plus 5 is oh sorry, it is 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, so the answer is 13. Understand? If you want to write, you can write 5 plus 3 is equal to 13. Understood? How to find the difference? That means how to find a subtraction by counting forward on a number line. Okay, understand? Click a screenshot or pause the video and note down in your maths copy. Okay students, so let's solve the question by expanding the smaller number. Okay, let's have a look here. What is the topic name? We have to find the subtraction. That means we have to solve subtraction by expanding the smaller number. छोटे नंबर को expand करके हम लोगों को subtraction find out करना है. Okay, so here there is a solve problem on page number 43. Page number 43 में ये question जो है 45 minus 24 ये already solve किया हुआ है. ठीक है, but we will understand how to solve the question 45 minus 24. Okay, here we have to find the difference between 45 and 24. Okay, what we have to find out? We have to find out the difference between the 45 and the 24. So this is 24 and this is a smaller number and 45 is a greater number. So which is smaller? 24. That means we have to expand. We have to expand this 24. Okay. So first of all, we will expand this 24 into the two parts. क्या करेंगे इसको expand कर देंगे. We have learned about the expanded form. What is the expanded form? Expanded form is the sum of place value of each digit. ठीक है, फिर से बोल रहा हूँ. Sum यानी कि plus sum of place value of each digit. So the place value of 4 is 4 and the place value of this 2 is 20. That means this 24 is a combination of 20 and 4. Okay, so I have expanded the 24 into the two parts, that is 20 and 4. Now what we will do? We will subtract these two numbers step by step. हाँ, okay, क्या करना है हम लोगों को? अब इस 45 में से पहले हम लोग 20 को subtract कर देंगे, फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसमें से फिर से 4 को subtract कर देंगे. Okay. So this is 45. We have to subtract first of all 20. So it is very easy to subtract 20 from 45. What will be the answer? Look here. If you have a problem in subtraction, so column में लिख लो पहले. Here will be 5. Here will be 2. Okay. So 45 minus 20 is 25. Okay. Then we will write this 25 here. अब ये 25 को हम लोग इस साइड में लिखेंगे. Okay, then that is the answer of 45 minus 20. So what is remaining? 25. अब इस 25 में से हम लोग दूसरा वाला नंबर यानी कि जो 4 है उसको क्या करेंगे? Subtract करेंगे. ठीक है, so 25 minus 4 is equal to the 21. Understood? So answer is 21. Let's solve one more question by solving by same method. Okay, look at here. 57 minus 25. 57 minus 25. So here the 57 is a bigger number and the 25 is a smaller number. Okay, so what is a method? The method is expanding the smaller number. What we have to do? We have to expand the smaller number. So which is the smaller number here? This 25 is the smaller number. So first of all we will break this 25. Break करेंगे मतलब क्या करेंगे? Expand कर देंगे. ठीक है. So first of all expand this 25 into the two parts. How many parts? Two parts. Okay, so 25 is a combination of 20 plus 5. अभी जो 25 है वो क्या है? Combination है. कौन से नंबर का? 20 और 5 का. How? The place value of this 5 is 5 and the place value of this 2 is 20. Yes, हम लोगों ने ऐसा पढ़ा था ना. 25 का ऐसा 5 फिर 2 का 20. हाँ, so it is a sum, that means plus the expanded form, the expanding form or expanded form of any number is क्या है? Sum of place value of both the digits. तो दोनों का place value क्या है? 5 और 20. उनके बीच में क्या लगाएंगे हम लोग? Addition. It is a sum of place value of 5 and place value of 2. And the place value of 2 is 20 और 5 का है 5 because the 5 is only 1st place. और जो 2 है वो कहाँ है 10th place पे. Okay. Okay. So now we will subtract this 20 from 57 and you will get the answer. फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसमें से हम लोग 5 subtract करेंगे. That means what? We have to subtract 20 and 5 both from 57. 57 में से दोनों को subtract करना है step by step. Okay. So let's take a 57. This is a number. First of all, we will subtract first number, which is 20, and subtract the 20 from 57. 7 minus 0 is 7, and 5 minus 2 is 3. देखो, अब 57 में से जो है 20 माइनस हो गया. अब कितना बच गया हमारे पास 37. अब हम लोग 37 में से 5 को फिर से subtract कर देंगे. So write down this 37 here. 37 minus remaining number is 5. So 37 minus 5 is 32. Understood how to find the answer? Okay. So the checkpoint on page number 43 is your homework. ठीक है, जो 43 पे आपका है वो homework है. ठीक है? Okay. I'm sending the PDF of some questions. बाकी there are 6 questions. So out of 6 questions, I will send the PDF of 2 or 3. ठीक है, मैं 2 या 3 का PDF बना के आपको भेज देता हूँ. बाकी सारे questions आपको करने हैं. Okay. So let us see the next question. Okay. Let's understand about the next topic. And the next topic is what is the next topic? Subtraction of 3-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. But before that, quickly note down in your math notebook. Okay. And the similar question is also available on page number 43. ये दोनों क्वेश्चन पेज नंबर 43 पर है, वहां पर भी लिख लो. Okay students, so let's understand about subtraction of 3 and 4-digit number but without regrouping. What is the topic name? We have to perform the subtraction. What we have to do? We have to do subtraction of 3 and 4-digit numbers. 3-digit के numbers भी हैं और 4-digit के numbers भी हैं. Okay, we have to perform subtraction without regrouping. What? Without regrouping. That means here we don't need to regroup the numbers. हम लोगों को किसी भी numbers को regroup करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. ठीक है? I have taken 5 questions and okay, मैं 5 questions आपको समझा रहा हूँ. Rest of the questions, that means the checkpoint on page number 45 is your homework. Okay. So first of all, we will understand about the subtraction without regrouping. So let us see here. We have to solve some examples for understanding. So I have the example number 1, and that is 567 minus 123. So we have to subtract 123 from 567. Okay, so first of all we have to write the places. This is your 1s, 10s and the 100. Okay, so subtract the digit of 1 place. जब भी हम लोग subtraction करते हैं, कहाँ से subtraction start करते हैं? 1 place से, फिर 10 then 100. Okay, so 7 minus 3. पहले हम लोग इसको solve करेंगे. Okay, 7 minus 3 will be, okay, so count after 3 up to till 7. 3 के बाद count करेंगे 7 तक. 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will write 4. 6 minus 2, okay, it is 6 and 6, oh sorry, 6 it is and 6 minus 2 will give us 4. So we will write again 4, 5 minus 1. Out of 5, if we subtract 1, so it will be 4. The answer is 444. Okay, let's understand the next question. Okay, here we don't need to regroup. That means what? यहाँ पर कोई चीज कैरी फॉरवर्ड भी नहीं होगा. सॉरी, कैरी फॉरवर्ड जब एडिशन होता है. हियर वी डोंट नीड टू बोरो एनीथिंग. हमको बोरो लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. हियर 358 इज अ नंबर एंड सेकेंड नंबर इज 243. लिसन हियर, वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 243 फ्रॉम विच नंबर? 358. So we know that 358 is a bigger number and 243 is a smaller number. So we have already learned, what we have already learned? We can subtract smaller number from bigger number. Yes? Okay. So we can subtract 243 from 358. Yes, we can subtract, क्योंकि 243 स्मॉलर नंबर है और 358 जो है वो क्या है, ग्रेटर नंबर है. तो बड़े नंबर में से छोटा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द डिजिट एट द वंस प्लेस, वंस, टेंस एंड द 100. ओके, सो 8 minus 3. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सब्ट्रैक्ट 3 फ्रॉम 8. कैसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? वी विल स्टार्ट काउंटिंग आफ्टर 3 के बाद काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे अप टू टिल 8. 4, 3 से काउंट नहीं करना, 3 के बाद से 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. हाउ मच इट इज? 5. So write down 5 here. 5 minus 4. So out of 5 we have to subtract 1. So it will be 4. 4. Okay. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 3 में से 2 गया तो 1. 1. Understood? Okay. अब हम लोग, ये तो सारे क्वेश्चन हो गए, ये दोनों क्वेश्चन 3 डिजिट के थे. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑन पेज नंबर 45. लेट्स सॉल्व दिस वन. ओके. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 में से 1 गया तो 4 में से 1 गया तो 3. Okay, 3 will be left over here and 3 minus 3 will be 0. Okay, so these 3 questions are 3 digit number. Yes, 3, 5, 8, 2, 4, 3. ये दोनों के दोनों नंबर कैसे 3 डिजिट के हैं. अब हम लोग देखेंगे कि 4 डिजिट का नंबर कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है. सो इट इज 5897 minus 2876. Okay, so now we have, which number it is? First one, first number is 5897 and the second number is 2876. So now we have learned that we can subtract smaller number from bigger number. बड़े नंबर में से छोटा नंबर subtract कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. So 2897 is a smaller number, है ना. 2876 is the smaller number and 5897 is the bigger number. So we can subtract. हम लोग छोटे नंबर को बड़े में से subtract कर सकते हैं. So let's start subtracting. 1, 10, 100, 1000. पहले सबसे पहले place लिखेंगे. क्या लिखेंगे सबसे पहले? Place. Okay. Now start subtracting. 7 minus 6. 7 is here and 7 में से क्या minus करना है? 6. So 1 will be left. So I will write 1 over here. 9 minus 7. 7 के बाद गिन भी सकते हैं. 8, 9. 2 will be left. 8 minus 8. अरे ये तो सबको आता होगा. 0. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 1, 2. 3. So the answer is 3. Understood? Okay. अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन बचा हुआ है. ठीक है. So let's subtract it. This is 1, 10, 100 and the 1000. Okay. So 7 minus 5. Okay, there is another method to find out the subtraction. What we will do? We will use the concept by counting forward. क्या concept use करेंगे? अभी हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था ना, counting forward on number line वाला. हाँ. 5 हमारा smaller number है. We will start counting from 5 up to till 7. From 5 नहीं, after 5. Okay, 5 के बाद का जो नंबर है वहाँ से स्टार्टिंग करेंगे काउंटिंग करना. कब तक? जब तक 7 नहीं आता. तो 5 तो सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया. We will start from 6. 5 के बाद से काउंटिंग करना स्टार्ट करो. 6, 7. आ गया 7. तो कितने? 2. So we will write 2. 6 minus 4. Again we will use the same concept by counting forward. So we will start counting after 4. After 4 up to till 6. जब तक 6 नहीं आता तो हमको 4 में से 6 में से 4 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ठीक है. तो 4 तो हो गया. Now start counting after 4. 5, 6. How much it is? 2. We will write 2. 5 minus 3. 5 में से 3 गए तो start counting after 3. 4, 5. So again 2 will be left. Okay, and 3 minus 2 is 3 में से 2 चला गया तो 1 बचेगा. हाँ, that is 1. Understood? Okay, so quickly note down in your maths copy and complete the checkpoint on page number 45. Okay, and then the next topic we will cover in the next video. Have a good day and bye-bye.